You've gotten raises. You've earned more than you did 5 years ago, but somehow you're still broke. The problem isn't your income, it's your mindset. Most people have a broke mindset and don't even know it. They think rich people are lucky. They think money is hard to keep. They think they'll never get ahead no matter what they do. And those beliefs become reality. Here's how it works. When you believe money always disappears, you stop trying to keep it. When you think saving is pointless, you spend everything. When you feel like you'll never get ahead, you stop planning for a future you don't believe in. Your brain is always proving your beliefs right. Tell yourself you're bad with money, and you'll make choices that prove it. Tell yourself you'll never have an emergency fund, and you'll find reasons to spend instead of save. The broke mindset is comfortable because it removes responsibility. If money is just hard and luck is everything, then it's not your fault. But that comfort keeps you stuck. What if you could see proof that your financial future is in your control? What if you could watch your decisions change your outcome in real time? If this is resonating with you, hit the like button, drop a comment below telling me what money belief you're ready to let go of, and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. The Finance Reset Toolkit rewires your mindset by showing you the math. You enter your real numbers, you see your real surplus, you set real goals, and watch yourself get closer every single week. When you can see a side hustle adding $300 to your savings, you stop believing money just disappears. When you watch your debt shrink month after month, you stop feeling hopeless. The numbers don't lie, and they'll change what you believe. People using this system say their whole relationship with money shifted. They went from avoiding their finances to checking them every week. They went from hopeless to motivated because they could finally see progress. If you're ready to break the broke mindset, tap the link in the description and get the Finance Reset Toolkit. This video is for informational purposes. Results vary based on individual financial situations.